Hi, I'm Owen Steele. I am the Student Council Co-President here at Vicenza Middle School. I would like to welcome you to the first quarter Honor Roll virtual assembly. Please stand for the national anthem.
Hi, I am Aurelia Townsend. I am a Student Council Co-President, and I would like to introduce Dr. Smith.
Pumas, welcome to our quarter one honor roll, and I am absolutely proud of the accomplishments of all of our Pumas who are being represented here today. We have a large number of students for all A's and all A-B honor roll as well. We appreciate the hard work. We still have 3 quarters to go, and so continue to work hard. Let us start with the 6th grade all A's honor roll, starting with Sophia Almazar, Emery Balmer, Joseph Branch, Lilia Bright, Athena Butner, Alejandro Castaneda, Joseph DePot, Timothy Dean, William Ellsworth, Luke Froelich, Alexis Fruto, Andrew Fulmer, Aisley Great, Caleb Hetke, Amara Henderson, Mason Kang, Ian Kim, Aiden Marquis, Amelie Sanson, Alexandra Simmers, Fatima Celia, Sydney Weibeld, Mason Wolf. For 7th grade all A's, Alexander Briones, Artu Kesoglu, Daniel Lohr, Ainsley McLeod, Landon Miguel, Lucas Sistar, Noah Torres, Brett Woodward. For 8th grade all A's, Junzi Bellinger, Eric Cortez, Antonio DePat, Maggie Elkema, Eric Finley, Taylor Garris, Emma Gastelum, Isabel Green, Naomi Condez, Elijah Lane, Brian Lewis, Nola Locke, Cooper McCann, Olive Morris, Allison Oliveira, Sydney Overstreet, Lexi Pollard, Jose Rivera, Evangeline Simmers, Genevieve Winterstein, and that concludes our Principal's Honor Roll for all A's. Let's start with our A-B Honor Roll for 6th grade. Leo Anderson, Talon Baker, Caleb Ballantyne, Alexander Banks, William Bass, Sebastian Batts, Elijah Boykin, Avery Brewington, Sophia Buchan, Euloria Buenaflor, Miles Boltman, Ashlyn Cavender, Roy Christensen, Alejandro Saldivar, Louis Felix, Gavin Dyer, Tristan Flood, Valeria Gomez, Alex Gilbert, Jace Jinkus, Carter Givens, Shiloh Gobble, Gina Hernandez, Colton Horrigan, Sophia Holtz, Ryan Kaluzny, Dusty Keinenberg, Emmett Kennedy, Carson Kester, Wyatt Leonard, Connor Lightfoot, Annabella Lohide, Nathan Lubba, Ethan Metcalf, Parker Michelina, Samuel Moser, Fox Mullins, Riley Niesman, Joshua Noel, Julius Viking Anawamke, Bradley Osgood, Edward Pari, Cheyenne Phillips, Matthew Ramey, Ethan Ruth, Elizabeth Simmers, Emma Stuttgart, Isabel Studevant, Taylor Thomas, Weston Thompson, Riley Thrash, Edge Townsend, Adriana Waters, Ava Williams, Wyatt Williams. 7th grade AB Honor Roll, Sophia Alejo, Zoe Arella, John Ortega, Mariah Atenta, Jackson Bracey, Grace Brudell, Mila Butner, Callie Colin, Sheka Cox, Bianca Doobie, Chas Exum, Cecilia Fender, Julian Garduno, Henry Grady, Owen Horner, Neffy Kelly, Jakob Kook, Liam Lawson, Alexa Lopez, Rama Nefusi, Janiyah North, Matias Chavez, Grace Panchat, Olivia Parker, Kaylee Shields, Janiyah Supnet, Aiden Hawkins, Fletcher Williams, and Clark Wood. For 8th grade AB Honor Roll, David Alderman, Maya Beatty, Delilah Brock, Matthew Chichester, Lauren Cuella, Nathan Dumas, Allie Ellis, Kaylee Ellsworth, Teddy Funston, Kevin Valencia, Elizabeth Hall, Kingston Hill, Austin Keinenberg, Charles Kosmicki, Jacob Leone, Anthony Cable, Annalise McDaniel, Isabel Magaha, Camilla Melendez, Zaylin Militich, Baden Morehouse, Sean Anwar, Princess Jazzy Panthalon, Gracie Perry, John Quinn, Christian Rodriguez, Elizabeth Sandoval, Lydia Seaford, Janina Smith, Lucia Von Buell, Jude Williams, Noah Williams. And that concludes first quarter honor roll for Vicenza Middle School. Excellent job, Pumas.
Congratulations, Pumas, for all your hard work. Continue the hard work through quarter 2. Have a great day.